welcome back. I hope you all are having a great day. So today, as you can see from the title down below, we have our August 2019 Beauteque Monthly. Now, you're probably saying, August, it's September. Well, Beauteque Monthly is a subscription that ships late in the month, like at the very end. So you usually do get your box at the beginning of the month, but it's for the month prior. And it is a Korean beauty box, skincare type box, and I really enjoy it. I honestly don't remember the exact price off the top of my head. I do apologize. It's like $30-ish, and they do charge for shipping, but you can get this box on Amazon, and you can get, if you have Amazon Prime, and you can get your first box for $23. So just an FYI. But let's see what we got. So again, this is August. So we open it. Right here we have our card. That's cute. The little sticker says looking sharp, and it's a cactus. All right, so hashtag plant-based, August 2019. Let's see. Hello, beautiful. This month we will be featuring our favorite K-Beauty greens. Aloe, cactus, green tea, and tea tree are key ingredients that have anti-inflammatory, soothing, and clearing benefits for your skin. With our hashtag plant-based themed picks, enjoy smooth, hydrated skin all month long. And then it says XOXO, the Beauteque Monthly team. Awesome. And then when we open it, this is where we see all of our products, and they do tell us, I've only gotten this one other time, and they do, I wasn't sure, but they do tell us the retail value, which I like. So let's open it up. And I do see lots of green. So this is what I'm seeing when we open it. So let's just get to it. So let's see, this first product here says vegan. This is the Yata Cactus Toner. This is a $21 value. It says, why we love it. This 3-in-1 toner cleanses, exfoliates, and moisturizes the skin, leaving it feeling and looking flawless. This cactus toner is made with 13 essential green grade ingredients, 87% being made of cactus extract instead of water. After cleansing your face, apply toner evenly onto your skin. Awesome. Love that. All right, so we have a toner. I love toners. I actually have, that's probably like my third or fourth on stockpile, but I'm not mad at it because I'm not going to open it, so it'll still be good. All right, so that was $21. So if you got this off of Amazon, that pretty much right there pays for it, for your first box anyway. Then let's see, we have from Skin Pastel, an aloe vera soothing cleansing foam, retail $6.99. It says this soft and rich cleansing foam efficiently removes dirt and pores. Aloe vera extract is known for soothing and moisturizing properties, which make skin soft and smooth. And then obviously it tells you how to use it, but it's a facial wash, so we all pretty much know how to wash our face. But awesome. I'm just curious. Yes, it has a safety seal. Okay, great. Yay. And then we have a green tea peeling gel. Where are you at? From, hold on. From Esfolio. It's an $8 value. This exfolio peeling gel features green tea extract, which boosts elasticity as it tones and conditions skin. The exfoliator helps gently remove dead skin cells and poor clogging dirt for soft, silky, clearer skin. It says after cleansing your skin, apply the gel and spread onto entire face. Wait for the product to settle, then proceed to wash off with lukewarm water. I saw peeling and I thought it was going to be a peel off mask. And if you follow me, you know I don't get along with those. So, extra mild and soft, deep moisturizing. Awesome. Love it. All right, so then we have, I do know that they do always include one type of mask. Now, it could be a face mask, like a sheet mask. It could be a hand mask, foot mask, hair mask, but you're going to get some kind of mask. And we got a foot mask. Soft Care Foot Pack Tea Tree Moisture Foot Mask. Self-Care Foot Moisture Therapy. It's cute. It's like a paw, like a foot. That is so cute. All right. This is $4.99. This is also from exfolio. Tea Tree Peeling Foot Mask. This moisturizing foot mask will ensure the best self-care session. The main ingredients are tea tree and herbal extracts, which will help soothe rough skin, leaving you with smooth and healthy feet. To clean and dry your feet, apply the mask, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask and massage any excess essence into your skin. Now, is this one of those where like 30 days later my feet's gonna like peel? It says no need to rinse. I don't think it is, because I've gotten those one time. So I think this literally is just gonna moisturize my feet. So, yay. All right, and then we have, this is neat, it's like in a tube. This is from Maven. This is $18. Tea Tree Talk Blemish Spot Treatment. This blemish spot treatment gel is formulated with 15% tea tree extract, which is known for its calming and protecting abilities. This gel creates a thin layer on top of blemishes to protect the skin from harmful environmental stressors, creating a healing environment for the skin. It says to apply a dot of this gel onto your targeted blemish at the end of your skincare routine. Leave it on for the whole day if using in the morning, or overnight if using at night. That's interesting. It's like in a tube though. All right, so it literally has like, so you literally can like, if you have something, you can be like, bloop. I'm 35 and I still get breakouts. So I'm definitely excited about this, especially knowing that it has tea tree in it. So yay. And then our final little product, I'm actually really excited about, and it is so adorable. Is this cute little brush, and it has a cactus on the back and it says hello. So this is $6 non-tangle hairbrush. Make your hair silky smooth with this fun cactus themed non-tangle hairbrush. Start at your scalp, run the brush through entire strand of hair. So, in case you didn't know how to brush your hair, now you do. So you just, you know. Brush your hair. There you go. So, I love this. I think it is so super cute. This is perfect for my purse, and that is where it's going. So that was the Beauteque Monthly for August 2019. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Like I said, you can also check them out on Amazon. And if you are a Amazon Prime member and you have not signed up for Beauteque Monthly, you can sign up and get your first box for only $23. So, like I said, I'll put a link to their website down below, so definitely check them out. And I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you get Beauteque Monthly? Let me know. I hope to hear from you, and have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.